Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to track RSVPs on the Evite app. So first, open the Evite app or website and sign into the account you used to create your event. Then find the event you want to manage and open it. Now look for the guest list or RSVP section. Here you can review which guests have responded and see their current RSVP status. Depending on the event, you may see responses such as attending, not attending, or haven't responded. You can use this information to keep track of your guest count and follow up with the people who haven't responded yet. And if your event includes additional questions, then check the guest responses for any information they've provided. If you don't see your guest's response immediately, then give the app some time to update or refresh the event. So that was how to check and manage your RSVPs through the Evite app. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.